vintage photograph from 1926 shows the Michelin Man, known then as Bibendum, posing beside a promotional vehicle in Santa Clara, Cuba. Used to advertise Michelin tires and Chiclets gum, the scene reflects early 20th century marketing tactics, when costumed mascots and traveling vans brought products directly to the public in eye-catching ways. At first glance, she might seem unfamiliar, but don't be fooled. This stunning young woman would one day become one of the most acclaimed actresses of her generation. Try to guess who she is. We'll return to this photo at the end of the video to see if you were right. A young cyclist from Tarvastu, Estonia, poses with his self-made wooden bicycle in 1912. Built entirely from scrap timber, the bike lacks pedals and rubber, yet captures a striking example of rural ingenuity and childhood resilience in early 20th century Europe. Though crude by modern standards, creations like this were a source of pride and joy for children growing up in hardship. How about one of the earliest radars? Before the invention of electronic radar, acoustic location devices like this one were used to detect distant aircraft by sound. This 1921 photo shows a U.S. soldier operating a massive twin-horn acoustic locator near Fort Totten, New York, an attempt to hear approaching enemy planes well before they could be seen. No, this isn't a masquerade ball. This 1961 photograph was taken inside the Disneyland employee cafeteria, where off-duty cast members from different themed areas gathered for a break. Cowboys, princesses, dancers, and even costumed characters from the park mingled freely, creating a surreal behind-the-scenes glimpse into the early days of Walt Disney's magical empire. In this remarkable 1898 photograph, Walter Rothschild, British zoologist and eccentric aristocrat, rides through London in a carriage pulled by zebras. Known for his private menagerie and passion for exotic animals, Rothschild famously trained zebras to prove they could be domesticated, challenging the common belief that they were untrainable. This rare promotional photo features actress Carrie Fisher alongside Treat Williams, both dressed in costumes resembling those from The Empire Strikes Back, 1980. While Williams never appeared in Star Wars, the image is believed to be from a publicity or costume test event, possibly exploring alternate casting or simply capturing a playful behind-the-scenes moment. A woman poses proudly beside the legendary 1927 Bugatti Type 41 Royale Coupe Napoleon, one of the most luxurious and imposing cars ever built. Designed by Ettore Bugatti for royalty, only 6 of these massive vehicles were produced, featuring a 12.7-liter engine and unmatched craftsmanship, an ultimate symbol of pre-war automotive extravagance. Before it crossed the Atlantic, the Statue of Liberty's colossal head was displayed at the 1878 Exposition Universelle in Paris. Visitors could pay to climb up into the head, which was exhibited separately as a fundraising effort and engineering showcase while the full statue was still under construction. In this striking image, music legend Tina Turner poses high above Paris on the Eiffel Tower during a bold 1960s photo shoot. Known for her fearless presence on and off the stage, Turner balanced on the iconic iron structure in high heels, embodying both elegance and raw power in one unforgettable shot. In this remarkable photo from the 1910s, U.S. postal workers pose with autopeds, an early motorized scooter used to deliver mail in major cities. Powered by a small gasoline engine, the autoped was compact and efficient, making it a futuristic solution for urban mobility decades before scooters became mainstream again. This humble roadside stand, photographed in the early 1920s, marks the origins of A&W Root Beer, one of the first American fast food chains. Founded by Roy W. Allen in 1919, A&W began as a simple root beer stand and eventually grew into a nationwide franchise, helping to shape the drive-in dining culture of the 20th century. So, shall we return to that photo from the beginning? Did you manage to guess who this elegant young woman was? If you recognized her, congratulations. You've got a sharp eye for timeless beauty. And if not, no worries. Now you know. This is none other than Helen Mirren, long before she became a global star and an icon of cinema. From her early roles on stage to her legendary performances on the big screen, she has inspired generations with her talent, presence, and grace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Which photo in today's video was your favorite?